So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can actually get the phone number of an Instagram account. And for that purpose, you have to first of all go to the account that you want to get the phone number of. For example, if I open up this account here, then here next to the follow and message button, I get an option of contact. So if I tap on the contact button here, I will get the phone number of that person, but you will get this option only if the person has set its phone number to the public. It is mostly connected with the business accounts, and there are many businesses who provide their phone numbers. So if the phone number is related to a business Instagram account, then you can easily get its phone number by pressing this contact button, and you will even get the email address. Now, what if the person has not added his contact details publicly? Then how you will get that phone number? This leads us to the method number 2, which is you have to go back and back again and go to your home page. And now let's open the profile of that person who has not provided his phone number publicly. If I open up this account, but this is a public account and many people want the phone numbers of private accounts, so let's go back and find another account. For example, if I open up this account right here, then this is a private account and he has also not provided his phone number publicly. So what you have to do is you have to tap on these 3 dots available at the top right corner of the screen and tap on send message. And right here, hey, may I have your phone number, and send this message. Just wait for the response. Thank you so much.